An FIR has been filed against the AIADMK Deputy General Secretary TTV Dinakaran for reportedly attempting to pay a bribe to get the two leaves symbol for his faction of the party. This came about as the Delhi Police's crime branch arrested a 24-year-old Chandra Shekhar from a South Delhi hotel and recovered 1.3 crores in cash from him. Let's go across to Tanima first for more on this, for the details actually. Tanima, what exactly is the charge here? Because this is, has a bribe actually been paid to somebody from the EC?
Not yet. Not that Delhi Police has got any evidence to that, referring to that point yet. We can show you though some visuals of cars which have been recovered from Sukash Chandra Shekhar that you were mentioning. He's the person who's been arrested in this case, and two luxury cars, a BMW and a Mercedes, have in fact been recovered from the hotel that he was staying. In fact, in one of the cars that you can see, there is a board referring to the fact that the vehicle belongs to a member of parliament. Now, what the police are telling us is that this is not the first time that Sukash Chandra Shekhar has come under the radar of the police. He is known to have several cases against him, one of them posing as a politician, for which he had in fact been booked earlier as well. And in another case, around several luxury cars had in fact been recovered from a Chhatarpur farmhouse in which apparently these luxury cars belong to him. Now, in this particular case, the police is following the trail of evidence regarding the fact that Sukash Chandra Shekhar might have actually allegedly taken money from AIADMK's Dinakaran in order to bribe certain election commission officials to get the two-leaf party symbol. Now, this is largely based on the confession that police have got from Sukash Chandra Shekhar. 1.3 crores in cash had also been recovered from the hotel, the South Delhi hotel that he was staying in, where he was in fact found after police went there following an intelligence tip-off. So they are still to gather more evidence, but what is coming out to us as the latest information is that the Delhi police have decided to send a team tomorrow to Chennai in order to issue summons in person to Dinakaran, the AIADMK leader. So Dinakaran booked in this case along with Sukash Chandra Shekhar under sections of Prevention of Corruption Act and also for conspiracy. Police are still questioning Sukash Chandra Shekhar but have already at the same time decided to issue summons to the AIADMK leader. Sarah.